people, as you know, say we're fully active and we're fully outside. So we have a sound system here as well. So Ringo Vision 24-hour kitchen. You know, so we're there and we are represent for a birthday party. The sound system, you want to tell me the name of the sound system, Joe?
King Vaders, you know?
King Vaders, you don't know, say King Vaders. Them can book you?
No, we don't play out in a party, I just friend and family sound.
Alright, so King Vaders, I do the thing today and I roll up the vibes, you know, people. So big up King Vaders in the cut, original Jamaican sound system. Yeah, man, we're there. Alright. Yeah, man, and you don't know, so we just light up a jerk pan and everything, people. So a good vibe, you soon see everything up on the jerk pan in a short while. Outside, active. Oh, see it here, people, can you think a jerk thing? Yeah, man, a jerk chicken pan the thing, you know, people, and some jerk chicken wings as well, people. So, yeah, man, we have a bucket of chicken. Well marinated, well seasoned up. Yeah, man, and the thing, I don't know, the jerk thing, you know, people, because you don't know, so we're there, so, you know, a big man and Ringo Vision and kick off the thing right away. What we say? We say we're there fully active and we're fully outside. So, everything nice, man. The chicken them looks so nice. A good vibes. Yeah, more time when you're outside now, people. I saw the thing set, you know, you have to make sure so the coal was fully hot and the charcoal's white. You understand? So it reaches to a certain level. Reach to a certain level when the fire is just right to what? Put the chicken them on, people. So we got the chicken them bagged up in a bucket. Yeah, man, well seasoned up, well marinated, 24-hour kitchen over there. We're fully active and we're fully outside, people. Jerk chicken, me say today. And we also have some what? Some jerk pork, and we also have some what? Roast fish. All right, a good vibes.
Yeah, you're the star. No man to me is just. Hey, I'm willing.
I mean?
Your past is your past and that I don't care.
Yeah, man, chicken, what? Load up. Yeah, man, so people, you don't know what I go on, so we have to roast a yam out of on the fire, people, because a long time you don't see a roast yam and a roast breadfruit. Yeah, man, a good vibe.
Come.
A knife?
Come.
Knife or forward. So what you do there now? Tell them what you do.
Yeah, bust the butter and make it soak through, man. So you roast breadfruit, don't you?
Yeah.
Bust the butter and make it soak.
And just put him on the fire?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, man, a good vibes, people. So, see the roast breadfruit here and the roast yam. So, a good vibes, and we have a jerk chicken, said we. Right, people, so what's happening right now? We're making the sauce for the jerk chicken. Wow, if you ever smell this, you know. I know jerk thing, people are good vibes in the kitchen. Yeah, man, things are gone. The people, cause you don't know, say, yeah, man, we are do the right thing. When me say we are do the right thing, so roast breadfruit and roast yam. Yeah, man, so we are going and pack up the fire with the sound, look tick, tick, tick. and them sitting there, people, yes, a good vibe. So yeah, man, look at the jerk chicken, wow. Look at the jerk chicken wings, wow. Yeah, man, things are going, people. So good vibes, you know. We'll come back in the kitchen right now. You can see that we're making the jerk sauce. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Vibes are going. Yeah, man, we're in the kitchen, people. Come in, man, you know, so we are dealing with the thing. Come in, bring in the camera. Yes, big man, so look at this what going on now. Right now, yeah, we're giving the chicken the finishing touch. Yeah, man, the finishing touch, people, yeah, so have good vibes. And differently over here, what we got going on, we got the roast breadfruit and the roast yam, people. Yeah, man, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. Yeah, man, at the birthday party, so you're going to hear background noise and things are going. But look, come in again and look at it. And wow, I know joke thing, people, yeah, man. Big up yourself, car. To the sauce here that we're putting on the chicken here right now, just to give it the finishing touch. Yeah, man, you see that? Good vibes. Good vibes. Fire broke up enough for the fire prop. Roast yam and roast breadfruit. Yeah, man, have good vibes, you know.
Audience 1, 2. Now it is. It's I man like Rory scene when it's on.
Good vibes. Sound system a kick back there, so you know, sound system a kick. Yeah, man, a vibes out there, so people. Good vibes. Yo, me have to make on here look a bit of vibes, people. Yeah. Oi. See it here now, a real yard vibes right now, people. Yeah, man. Oi. Yes, people, you don't know what I want. The best thing I go on right now, you know, completion. It's always nice when you're jerking. Wow. Look at that, everybody. Yeah, man, if you know you need a caterer, someone to come and jerk the chicken, barbecue, roast fish, jerk fish. Yeah, man, jerk pork, even though we don't. You understand? A good vibes, people. Everything in the cut right now, people, yeah. So, yeah, man, a good vibes. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. Doing the right thing, everybody, yeah. Just, you understand? Yes, people, so you done know, so we come to almost a completion with the jerk chicken. A good vibe, it's been amazing. Yeah, man, big up yourself. So you see the roast breadfruit and the roast yam, that is soon complete as well. But you see the first set of jerk chicken and them things there. Yeah, man, that done. So what's going on the grill right now is just some, oh, yeah, man, some burgers. So we're going to be making some burgers today as well, people, yeah. So a good vibe, big up yourself. Yeah, man, we're going to turn on back the music because you don't know, it's a YouTube, so we can't have music in our background and them sitting there. So yeah, man, a good vibes. That's why you're going to be seeing a lot of scenic shots, and I'm going to be showing you what I go on said way without some talking because it's a birthday party, and yeah, man, them want to play the music, but I ask them to stop the music, people, yeah. Big up yourself, a good vibes, outside. Yes, everybody, so what's happening right now? I'm just doing the preparation for the roast fish. So a good vibe. So come in and have a look, everybody. So come in and have a look. So yeah, man, so the jerk chicken is completed. Yeah, man, so you saw the jerk chicken. So now you're going to see the process of the roast fish. The roast breadfruit and the roast yam. I'm going to go back outside in a second, everybody. Yeah, man, and take that off the fire as well. So a good vibe. Yeah, man, we're fully fully active, fully outside, just chopping up the vegetables then, everybody. Yeah, man, we're just doing, at the moment we're just doing peppers, then we're going to do carrot, then we're going to do garlic, and then we're going to do a little bit of ginger. A good vibe. Look at yourself. Yes, people, so you don't know, say everything done complete now, and see the roast yam, yeah? So you know, say when the yam done complete, we have to scrape it and get all that burn off of it from the outside, everybody. Yeah, man, and you know, so that nice fluffy white yam is on the inside, waiting to be consumed, everyone. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Everything was fully finished and fully I get prepared. So the breadfruit is at its last final stage. Big up yourself, everybody. So next time you see the roast yam, man. Yeah, man, I ate this, man, and the yam this people. 24-hour kitchen. Yeah, man, we're fully there. The DJ there, so the DJ had to pause the music. A good vibe. Shout it to me, DJ. All right.
It's not cut yet, no. Cut it, no chef.
Everybody, so what's happening now? So a good vibe. So yeah, man, we're gonna start to prepare the ingredients for the stuffed fish, everybody. So we're just gonna kind of fry up the vegetables them quickly. A good vibe. Alright, so what's happening now? I'm just gonna cover this up and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. A good vibes. A good vibes. We're there, man. We're in our kitchen, man. A good vibes.
It's coming my way. Which I bless now I can curse. Give thanks a life, I tell you what. And tell me the sufferation. Let's rise above it. Blessing coming my way.
Yes, everybody, you don't know what I go on. Look what I go on. Big things are going on, people, yeah. Fully active, Sedway. Good vibes. People say you don't know, so the burger them we make. The normal is some pineapple burgers, everybody, yeah. A good pineapple burger. You see it? A good vibe. So we're just gonna go and mash up the fish them now. Yeah, man. The party are going good, everybody. So we got some roast breadfruit there, so said we. Yeah, man. So the garnish for the fish, everything that the fish is gonna be stuffed with, complete. Good vibes. Yeah, man, good vibes, everybody. So look at this as well. So the last of the chicken wings them completed as well. The sauce that we're coating it with is there. Pineapple them on the grill, everybody. Yeah, man, we're there, man. Fully active people. See? Roast Yam as well, everybody. Yeah, man, are good vibes. Yes, people. The music is gonna start again right now, so I'm quickly just wrap it up quickly before the music start up. Thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. Yeah, man, it's a birthday party barbecue, and you don't know, so we add jerk chicken, jerk wings. I'm gonna show you a bit of the fish as well. Yeah, man, a good vibe. We got burgers and all them kind of things there, people. Yeah, big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen. We're there, fully active. Yeah, man.